Hi, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video, I'll be showing you what to do if your Bosch washing machine is displaying the error code E16, F16 or F34. If your Bosch washer is displaying this code when you try to run a cycle, it means that the door isn't closed correctly. Now, this may simply mean that you haven't shut it correctly, but if you've double checked that and the error code persists, it means there is a problem with the door lock. Not to worry, it's a simple fix that you can carry out at home. Let's take a look. For this fix, you will need a flat-headed screwdriver and a new door lock, and we'll provide a link to these in the description below. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. To remove the door lock, you first need to gain access to it. Now, start by prising the outer retaining band from around the door seal using your flat-headed screwdriver. From the door seal. And with the retaining band removed, pull the outside of the rubber door seal away from the door frame and then fold it inside the washing machine. Like so. Now you'll be able to start removing the door lock. Here you'll notice two small plastic pips around the door lock, one above and one below. Work your hand behind the panel, grab hold of the door lock and pull it inwards towards the inside of the drum. You can use your flat-headed screwdriver just to push in those pips to help remove the door lock. With the door lock removed from the washing machine, the only thing holding it in place is the electrical connection and the plastic release clip. Go ahead and remove these to take the door lock out completely. When ordering a new door lock for your Bosch washing machine, it's essential that you have your appliance's model number. This is to ensure that you're getting the exact part for your particular model. Now, if you're unsure about where to find the model number on your appliance, check out our video here that will tell you everything you need to know. Now it's time to fit the new door lock. First, connect the electrical connection and then reach inside and fit the plastic release clip, and then you can simply attach it to the side of the washing machine, feed it through the hole and then ensure that the pips pop through to the front. Now that the door lock is in place, you can go ahead and pull the door seal out from inside the drum. To refit, first fit the door seal pipe up to the pipe just inside the machine. Once they're connected, you can then fit the door seal onto the outer lip of the appliance, working your way round. With the door seal firmly in place, you can then go ahead and refit the outer retaining band. Put the top in first and then work it round, and then use the spring, stretch it out a little bit to fit the band fully in place around the seal. And again, you can use your flat-headed screwdriver to help with this. So that's how you replace the door lock on a Bosch washing machine. Now, even after you've replaced the door lock, the error code can persist on certain Bosch washing machines. Now, this means that you need to reset the PCB. The way to do this can vary from model to model, but this is how you go about doing it on this particular appliance. And it should be the same for most Bosch washing machines. First, turn the control knob to the off position. Then turn it again to the 6 o'clock position. Next, press and hold the spin or RPM button and whilst holding the button, turn the dial to 7 o'clock. Then after 3 seconds, release the spin or RPM button and turn the dial back to the off position. This should clear away the error code and reset the machine. So there we have it, how to fix the error code E16, F16 or F34 on a Bosch washing machine. Hopefully your washing machine door is closing correctly and your machine is back up and running again. Now, if you are experiencing other issues with error codes on Bosch washing machines, don't worry, we can help with that too. Check out our full video playlist here on fixing Bosch washing machine error codes. And of course, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things e-spares, repair guides, maintenance advice, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.